Race number 6. There, on the way, Blue Angel. Looking for the lead, Prince Lau. Moving up na the outside, Miss Rosario May Bukas pa. Moving up now in the middle portion, tabing Ilog. Then followed by Directors Let Go, Divine Wisdom, Princess Winat, Babes Magic. And going along for the first turn, tabing Ilog. Now in front, Liz Malang, followed by Blue Angel. Miss Rosario is improving now for the outside. 3 lengths back, My Bukas pa. Directors Let Go. 4 lengths for the back now, Babes Magic, Prince Love, here comes Princess Winat, Divine Wisdom, and Buena Classica, who's running on a tail the field towards the last 600, being Ilog, being joined by Miss Rosario for the outside, 4 lengths away into the Angel, My Bukas pa. Directors Let Go. Towards the last 400, matching stride, tabing Ilog refuses to surrender. Liz Mahalenka and Miss Rosario trying his best for the outside second, and running by the Blue Angel and down to the finish now, tabing Ilog. And Blue Angel is threatening danger out in a way, but it's still tabbing Ilog. Blue Angel and a door, tabbing Ilog, winning this race over Blue Angel. Close My Bukas pa, Miss Rosario, Divine Wisdom, Directors Let Go, Babes Magic.
Napakagandang karera para sa inyo. Race number 6, very exciting para dito sa ating unofficial winner, 6 horse, Tabing Ilog. At biglang sumukaw, numero 1, Blue Angel, masa segundo yan. Numero 3, May Bukas pa, close dun sa 9.